right, so welcome everyone and happy Tuesday.
Welcome.
Today is May 19th and Miss Kate will be doing the lesson today. We will be reviewing money and math talk.
Ooh.
Your favorite.
Oh,
Yeah.
All right, so we sent out the worksheets this morning. If you don't have the worksheets, I have them on the back screen.
I have it.
Okay. Kate, is that a good point for you?
For some reason, it's not showing the bottom of the worksheet. Oh, now it did. I'm sorry. Maybe it just took a second to come up on mine. It's all up on mine.
Okay.
Can you guys see it?
I can see it,
Yep.
Kate. I
Good.
can
This
see
may
it.
look familiar, so this may be kind of a review,
Gotcha.
but let's look at it. What does the very top of the page say? It's
I
in
can
fancy
read.
writing. Go ahead, Amanda.
Okay. Okay, it says sunglasses. No?
So the very top of this worksheet says the beach
It says-
shop, and
Yep,
it's written in a
top.
fancy
Yeah.
way. You see the
Beach
one that
shop.
has the money on the top?
Yeah,
Yep.
beach shop.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and say that that top box that has the bills in it, let's call
Yeah.
that our wallet. Okay, guys? You see
Okay.
the top box? I wish I
Yeah.
could- You see it?
Yeah.
Yep.
How many dollars are in the wallet that we have?
Letter,
10.
the name.
10,
Yeah, the
exactly right.
president.
Yep.
So there's $10 in our wallet. And let's look at what this page is asking us to consider.
Nine.
The first picture, what do you see there?
I know.
What is it?
It was empty. It was
I
full.
heard Ashley say a
Fully
snorkel
full.
set.
Mm-hmm.
Anger biter was in the trash
And
can
how
today,
much
so I
is the
picked it
snorkel
out.
set?
859.
Thank
$8.59.
you. $8.59. So the question, a little ways over to the right, is asking us how many dollars do we need? It's not asking us how much the exact cost is. It's saying dollars. So in a sense, we're going to be rounding up. Have you guys ever heard of that? Does that sound familiar, rounding up?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I did this before.
So when we see that amount that says, you guys let me know, it says $8.59, I know that that's more than $8, right?
Yeah.
If I was to pay him or the cashier or whoever it was, a him or a her, $8, that wouldn't be enough. But
No.
what if I gave $9? Would that be enough?
Yes.
Covered? Yes. Okay. So that's kind of the pattern of what these are, is that we're rounding up. So the first one is $9. Let's look at the next one. Who'd like to try give a try at that? Let me
I
get
can
to
do
it
Kate.
so I can see. Amanda,
Okay.
I'll give you the next one, Carrie.
Okay. Can I go ahead?
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead.
Okay. It said a sand shovel.
Good job. And how much does it cost?
It costs $2.79.
Very good. So how many dollars do we need if we'd like to buy that sand shovel?
$3.
$3.
$3. Excellent. Was that you, Hector?
Yes, I got it.
Who said that one?
Roger.
Roger. Good job, Roger. I'm learning your voices. Excellent. So you guys are catching on to this pattern quite well. Roger, how about you go, or no, Carrie, you do the next one. What is the next one, Carrie?
Sunglasses cost $6.89, so $7.
Excellent. Who agrees with Carrie that she needs to carry $7 to be able to buy those sunglasses?
That's right.
I do. Thumbs up if you agree. Because $6 isn't gonna do it, is it? We're not gonna
No.
have enough.
No.
Even if we had $6.50, would we have enough?
Yes.
So $6.50 is, let's say all we had in our wallet was $6.50. Will that cover $6.89?
Yeah.
No.
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 Because $6.89 is more than $6.50, isn't it? Good job.
No.
Right.
So Roger, could you do the next one under the sunglasses?
A pail costs $3.39.
Good job. How many dollars do you need to purchase that, Roger?
4.
Perfect. I totally agree.
4.
And then Jose, could you read the next one for us?
Yeah, the next one is beach ball. And the beach ball costs $4.32.
Ooh, that's an expensive beach ball.
It is. And how many dollars would we be able to cover it with if we want to buy it?
5.
Well, right under 5. Right at 5, basically.
So we would need $5 bills, but let's go a little further since this seems to be kind of easy for you guys. Let's say we had $4.50. Would that cover the purchase of the cost of $4.32?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Why? Why would it cover the cost? Because $4.50 is more than $4.32, right?
Yeah.
It's a
Right.
bigger amount. So the whole idea is that we need a little bit more than what the cost is to make sure we can cover it. So
Yes.
let's have Robert do the next item.
$5. Okay. Let me
It
$5.
rocks. It costs $8.22. $9.
Excellent, excellent. He rounded up to say he's going to need $9, but let's make it a little more tricky. Let's say I had $8.75. How much does that equal, first of all? If I had $8 bills and 3/4, what's my total I have in my wallet?
$8.75.
$8.75. Good job.
Yep.
So if
Good
I
job,
had
Robert.
$8.75 in my
Thanks.
wallet, would I be able to purchase those flip-flops for $8.72?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
And why is that?
I know, Nisha.
Because it's
Go
eight.
ahead. Go ahead, honey. Whoever.
872 is
More than
than 875.
5. Yeah.
872 is less than 875, right?
No, it's more.
So if
Yeah,
we
it's
had
less.
the 875, we would have enough because we'd have more than what it cost,
what it
right?
costs. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
And I'm trying to skip to my screen there and see who's here. Just give me 1 second. Oh, Ashley, could you
Yeah.
read the next one for us?
Sunglass. $6.99.
Good job. Sunscreen costs $6.99. How many
Number
dollars?
$7.
Absolutely.
Well, that's
So let me
easy.
ask you a question. I agree with you that we need $7. What if I had $6.75? Would that be enough to buy that sunscreen?
Yeah.
No.
No.
No. And why not?
Have this one.
Yeah, you don't have enough to purchase it.
Exactly. We don't have enough. $6.50 is less than $6.99. Exactly. But $7 is 1 penny more than $6.99. So we would have enough. Good job. And Hector, do you want to read the next one?
$5.95.
Very good.
Good job. And
What
how
was that
many
one?
$5.
how many dollars would we need to buy that beach towel, Hector?
$6.
Good job. Excellent. I totally agree. We need $6
Very
because
good.
it's
Hector.
$5.95. So if we paid $6, Hector, how much change would we get back after we bought that beach towel for $5.95? Can anybody do that in their head?
Mhm.
Go ahead if you can.
1 nickel.
Absolutely. Jose says 1 nickel, and I agree with Jose. It's 5 cents difference. Because we took $6, subtracted $5.95, we're left with 5 cents, 1 nickel. Perfect. Well, it could be 5 pennies if they don't have a nickel, because that's equal, right?
Yeah.
Same thing, yep.
Excellent. Let's have Jose read the next one.
Okay, so now we're looking at a cooler. The cost of the cooler is $9.59. That's what we got.
How much do you need to purchase that?
Looks at least 10.
Yeah, so if Jose's thinking in dollars, he's got to have $10, $10. But let's
Yeah.
make this a little different. And let's say that he had $9.60. Would he be able to purchase that cooler for $9.59?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Yes. And why is that?
Because it's more money.
It's more money than 10.
Good job, because $10 is greater than $9.59. I mean, $9.59, right? And $9.60 is also greater than $9.59. Good job. Let's just say I had $9.50 in my wallet. Could I purchase that cooler for $9.59?
Yes.
Nope.
No.
Not
No,
enough.
good job. Because $9.50 is less than $9.59. Excellent work. Okay, we've got one last one. Let's let Miss
I can do
Alicia
it.
do that one.
I can do it now, Kate.
We'll let you get the next one. Let's let Miss Alicia do this one.
Okay.
The umbrella,
Yes.
it costs $7.79. So I'm gonna need $8.
Good
$8.
job.
Okay,
Miss
$8.
Alicia, give us
Okay,
a thumbs
there you
up.
go.
If you agree with Alicia, give us a thumbs up. Me too. Now, let me just ask you a quick question on that one. Let's
Sure.
say Alicia had $7, 7 $1 bills, and 3 quarters. Could she purchase that umbrella for $7.79?
No, I
Yeah.
can't.
No.
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 No, because $7 bills and 3 quarters equals $7.75.
75.
And
Yep.
she needs
I would need 4 more
$7.79,
pennies.
which is more than that. Yep. Just by a difference. Alicia did her math, and she said it's a difference of 4 pennies. So she's
Yep.
4 pennies short.
Yep.
Maybe she could ask a friend for a nickel. Okay,
Might be
great
able to
job,
find
you
it in the
guys.
bottom of my bag.
There you go.
Excellent.
There you go.
So we're ready to switch to the next page, Alicia.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right,
Okay.
everyone got a pencil? Who's got a pencil?
I
Or
do.
pen, either one's fine. Get ready.
I am desperate now.
We're going to the snack bar.
Right
Okay,
here.
I'm
I
gonna
found
read
our
the
lawn.
directions. You ready?
Yeah.
So in where it says directions, it says, getting hungry? Choose 3 items from the menu. Write the item and its price. Add the item prices together and write in the totals. All right, let's break it down. First, what did it tell us to do, Robert? What's our first instruction?
On the first one,
Yeah, what does the direction tell us to do? What's the first thing that we do?
you gotta choose the 3 items from the menu.
Perfect. So everybody go ahead and circle, if you have a pen or pencil, if you're just looking at it, think of which 3 items you're going to purchase for your first choice. And then you're going to make a second choice, which is kind of like if they were out of it. What are the 3 things you would choose if you couldn't get those first 3?
Hey, Kate, how many you said?
So 3 under first choice, and then 3 under second
can't-
choice.
Kate, why not? Hold on. And okay.
So where it says item 1, Amanda, do you see that?
What? Okay.
Under first choice.
I can't hear you.
Can you see where it says first choice on the
Where?
paper, Amanda?
Well,
Can you see the worksheet that's on the video?
I got a paper right here.
That
But I
says
need
snack
help.
bar?
I need help
Okay.
with it.
So under the box of pictures and under where it says directions, there's a word, it says it's underlined and it says first choice. Can you find that? I don't have my pointer. Can you point, Alicia?
You mean
I'm not-
nationally?
Or Nashley? I wasn't sure if you were here.
I
Okay, I
need
thought
to
Alicia was
know.
in there. Can you point and show Amanda where we're at?
You're on the item 1?
Yeah.
Right here, Amanda.
Well,
Do you see it?
yeah.
Okay, so everybody pick 3 items and go ahead and write them in with their price. Do you guys want to pick your own or do you want to pick it as a group?
That's a group.
Well, let's have all the votes. Let me get to the page. Where are you guys? Okay, if you want to pick your own items, put your thumb up right now. I got Ashley voting for that. I got Amanda voting. I got Carrie voting. Now, put your thumbs down, everyone that voted. That was 3. If you want to vote to do it as a group that has all the same items, put your thumb up. Who wants the same ones? Amanda, you already voted. Robert's neutral. I think Jose and Hector are neutral.
Yeah, it doesn't really matter either way, but
So
as long
we
as it
can do
goes my way.
somebody's list. Why don't go ahead and pick your own items, and the
How
ones that
many?
want to follow along will follow along somebody's item. So Carrie, what are you going to pick?
I picked ice cream,
All right.
soda, and fries.
All right. Let me
I
write
need-
that down.
Kate,
Yes.
Yes. I thought we were gonna do all together.
Okay.
Okay,
So
let's-
you're going to do the same one as what Carrie just said. Okay.
So I
your
need chocolate.
Yep. So your first item is ice cream. Look
Okay.
up.
Ice cream. I need to write it down.
Yes.
But okay, how do you spell ice cream?
Are you ready?
I,
What? Okay. Well, I need to write it down at.
On the worksheet. Do you have it printed out?
Yeah, but
Under
Wait,
item 1.
I see. Okay.
E,
C
E,
E
C,
T.
He said C.
No, I want you to spell it for me, Kate.
So he's doing it right. Thank you, Robert. It was ICE for ice. You
Okay.
got that right.
Yeah.
And then cream was CREA.
CREAM.
M.
Yeah. Okay.
Now, Carrie, tell us
And
how much
and-
that ice cream costs.
50 cents.
50 cents. Okay.
0.50 cents.
Okay. Now I
Yeah,
got
because
it.
it's actually how
Okay.
many dollars?
Sorry.
3/4.
Sorry, Kate.
It's like $0, right? That's why she said
Yeah.
0.50.
Yeah,
Yeah.
0.
So it's
Yes.
50 cents, which is like a half a dollar. But let's see, how much was her second item was soda.
Soda.
And how much is the soda?
I know, Kate.
How much, Amanda?
It is $1.
Perfect. So let's put in $1 by item 2 soda. We're going to do Carrie's list here together.
I got
And-
ice cream and I got soda.
The next item that Carrie wanted to buy in her first choices was French fries. Carrie,
French
how much were your fries you wanted?
$1.50. $1.50.
Okay. So, I don't know if you guys
Okay.
can see this.
Hey, Kate.
Can you guys see my picture with that or not?
Yeah, we can.
Hey, Kate. Can I do the next one?
No,
this-
Amanda.
Listen what we're going to do next. We're going to add up what the total comes to for the items Carrie selected. So are we going to start on the right or the left, Robert?
You're right.
The right. Good job. So we're going to say 0 plus 0 plus 0. How much is that?
0.
Absolutely.
Here's
0. And in our next column, I see a 5 plus a 0. What's that?
5.
5.
It stays at 5, doesn't it? Now
it
we're
does.
at 5 and we want to add what?
Another 5.
Another
Another
5.
five.
So 5 plus 5,
10.
10.
10.
10.
And
Now am I going to write that 10 right there?
No, you have to
No.
carry.
Now you can put the 0 down and carry the 1.
Excellent.
carry
I'm gonna
the
put
1.
the 0 down and carry the 1.
so good.
So
Don't forget
now
about
in
your
my other column, I have
Miss
that
Kate.
1 to start with, don't I? So
Don't
I've
forget
got
to put your
1 plus
decimal
0.
down.
Say
Very
it again.
good, Carrie.
Yeah.
Put your
Don't forget
decimal down.
point first.
Oh, got to bring my decimal down. Sure enough. We cannot forget that because that helps us keep everything straight and lined up,
Straight,
making
one.
sure we're adding the right columns, and it
Yep.
separates our dollars and our cents.
Yeah.
So we know what we're dealing with. Now
Yep.
we're in our dollars column. So we've got that 1 plus 0, which is that 10.
No.
What's 1 plus 0?
1.
1.
Is that 1, Robert? Do you agree?
Well, 2 is 3.
So all together, yeah. So we got the 1 plus 0 is 1. And then 1 plus this one is how much?
2.
And adding
2.
another one?
3.
Absolutely. Perfect. $3. So the
How
total
much?
for her first choice is $3.
No, not really.
Not
Nope.
really?
Oh, well, let me see. What did you have down?
So
I
she
gotta
got
make
the
sure.
ice cream for 50 cents.
Uh-huh.
She got the soda for $1.
Okay.
And she got the French fries for $1.50.
Ah, okay. Okay.
So her total for her first choices is $3.
How much?
$3.
Mhm.
I can't
So
see
who
it.
can give us a list for the second choices that we can try to add up?
I
Let's
can
see
do it.
someone that hasn't had a turn. Let's see, Ashley. Ashley, can you give us 3 items that would be your second choices?
Some milk,
Milk, okay. And how much is the milk?
$1.
You said $1. Okay, I'm writing it in. And the second item?
Grapes.
Okay, she chose the grapes as her second item. How much are those, Ashley?
Uh,
Oh, 50 cents.
50 cents.
50 cents. Good job. And what is your third item you'd like to choose?
Chicken.
Okay, she chose the fried chicken. And
Very
how
good.
much is the fried chicken, Ashley?
$3.
$3. Okay, let's help Ashley add up her total for her second choice area. So I know this is imperfect, but let's try to work with it. So first she chose the milk, right guys? And
Yeah.
it was $1.
That's right.
$1, which is
Yeah.
also,
60.
is that 100 pennies also? Is that the
That's
same
it.
thing as 100 pennies?
Yes,
Yep.
it is.
Is it the same thing as 4/4?
Yes,
is.
it is.
Okay, good. I just want to make sure.
10
Okay,
dimes.
next she chose grapes.
And 10
And
dimes.
she let us know that those are being sold for 50 cents. That's a good deal, huh?
Yeah.
And then she chose her last item, which was the fried chicken.
Yeah.
And that's her most expensive item in this list. And that was how much?
$3.
$3.
$3, yeah. So let's add that up.
460.
Here we go again. We're starting way over here. 0 plus 0 plus 0.
Is 0.
0.
Tell
And
me
the
that.
next row is 0 plus 5 plus 0.
It's 5.
Excellent. 5. I agree. And then I better not forget to what?
Put your decimal down.
Excellent. I've got to bring that decimal point. I cannot forget. That might get things very confusing for me.
Yep.
So now I'm in my dollar area. How many dollars were the grapes?
$1.50.
0.
They were 0, right? It was $0 because it was only 50
Right.
cents, right? So just to keep myself straight, I'm going to go ahead and put that 0 in because I like to see all the numbers, all the values lined up. Helps me stay organized. So I have 1 plus 0. It's what?
1.
1. And then 1 plus 3.
3. 4.
Oh, 4.
4.
Good job.
4.
So Miss Ashley's total is how much, Ashley?
460.
How much is your total, Ashley?
460.
Not quite, almost. It's a little high. You're 10 cents too high.
150.
450. I heard you, Robert. Absolutely.
450.
So Ashley's total is
450.
450.
Okay. 450. Okay.
So then if you notice in the bottom of the workshop or worksheet, it starts telling us to add our totals
Yeah.
together.
Together.
Yep. So what are the two totals that we're going to add? What would this math sentence look like?
$3 plus 450.
Plus 450.
Equals our mystery amount, right? That's the mystery we have to
no.
solve. We have
It'll
to
be
see what $3 plus 450 equals, because remember, we want to bring enough to the store in our wallet, right?
Yep. And
So
it'll be
let's go
the
ahead and
total-
add that up.
and it'll be a total of $7.50.
Right.
Good job. I agree. Let's see what that looks like if we want to write it out. So Miss Carrie did it real quick. She said 0 plus 0 is what?
0.
0.
Then she said
Zero.
0 plus what?
5.
Plus 5 is
5.
5. Okay, so far we've got 50 cents, right?
Don't forget
I've got to
put
bring
your
down
decimal.
my decimal point.
Decimal.
And then if we're adding our dollars, 3 plus 4 is what?
7.
7.
So one other thing that's really important when we're dealing with writing out math and money problems is
Hey,
that
Kate.
we label our
Kate.
answers. Hold on a
Kate.
sec, honey. I'll hear you in just 1 minute. Let me say this one thing. So
Okay.
if we're labeling our answers whenever we do math or money, what kind of label do we need to identify this number as being money?
$sign.
Dollar sign.
Good job, a dollar sign. Yep. Because if I just had the number without that, I wouldn't be for sure. That could be a decimal point within another type of thing. It could be something else. So
Yeah.
good job. All right, guys. I think
Kate.
I like the next one. The next.
Kate.
Oh, go ahead, Amanda, with your question.
You will. You help me with. I know.
So we're gonna go to the next one now.
No, wait. You're going too fast for me.
Well, we'll have to work on that one a little bit more later. So let's move to the next one for now.
Okay.
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 So Miss Nashy will bring it for us.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
So this is a fun way of thinking
Sorry.
about how to figure out the missing number. So
Not
when we
easy.
look at this, it looks a little different. Who's ever done these type of problems?
I
Oh, yeah.
Ow.
Okay. when we look at the first one, what do you guys think we're trying to figure out? Do you see where the dark lines are?
This is a
Hold my
worksheet.
paper up. So when we see this paper, I'm trying to hold something behind it, hold on, so it won't go through. When we see this paper, do you see that very first problem?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you see where it has the dark lines?
Mm-hmm.
Well,
Right.
Kate, well,
Do you see where my pen is, Amanda?
no.
Can you see my picture?
Yeah, I can see your picture, but I can see the paperwork.
So we're gonna try to solve what's missing in that blank.
Okay,
Where the
that's
dark
it.
lines are, there's a number missing. So our job as number detectives is to figure out what that number is. So we have to use our brains to think about it, right?
Right.
Yeah.
So let's just try to look at it, okay? The
Okay.
first one is a blank. And what are we doing? Addition or subtraction?
Addition.
Addition on the
Plus,
first
Right.
addition, right. So we're saying blank plus 2 equals 5.
3.
So what plus,
3.
oh yeah, someone saw it
Very
right
good,
away.
Ashley.
So what we're doing is we're trying to figure out what plus 2 equals 5. Let's test out what Ashley said. She said 3. So if we have 3 and then we add 2 more, so 3, 4, 5. Sure enough,
All right.
it tests out. It's right. Let's all write our 3 in there. So now that top number is actually what?
3.
43.
Good job, Amanda. It's 43. So this one, this little number is missing his friend, his little partner, to make him a bigger number. What do you suppose that 4 plus what equals 6?
2.
Robert,
2.
2.
3, 4.
Absolutely. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Let me write that in. Thank you. So that gives us 43 plus 22 equals 65.
Yeah.
Good job. Who wants to try the next one?
I do.
That made no sense to me.
That one didn't make any sense? Well, you figured out the answer, though. Let's just see if our brains can catch on as we go. We'll start seeing a pattern. Let's look at the next one.
Kate, can I do the
Go
next
ahead,
one?
Amanda.
Yeah, now makes sense. Thank you.
Can I go ahead?
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
You sure I can go ahead, Ashley?
Yes,
Go
I'm just
ahead.
trying to figure things out. Go ahead.
Okay. Okay. It's 36 minus blank.
Yeah. So, and then there's a blank down here. So notice there's 2 numbers that need to be discovered. Let's look at this one first. 3 minus 1 is what, Amanda?
1.
It's 5?
So we're subtracting. We have 3.
Oh, it's subtraction. It's 4.
And we're taking 1. Let's look at it closely. Take your time. We got
It's
3.
4.
And
It's
we're
4.
taking, but let's go the other way. Listen, we have 3, right? And we're taking away 1. What do we got left?
2.
Good job. 2. Let's write 2 in there.
2.
Okay, what's 6 minus blank equals 8?
Yeah, so Carrie is on the next half of this one. She's looking at it and she's like, what could this possibly be?
So I think you
6
must have
minus
did it
what?
backwards. Kate.
Equals
No.
8.
Nope, it can't be 2 right there. I just added 6.
Yeah, so and it couldn't even,
Plus
let's-
that, and it says 4 to me on my calculator.
let's do an experiment. Let's say that we put the biggest single digit number in there. We're testing, we're scientists testing it out. We
Yeah.
put the biggest single digit number in to try, which was 9. So when we look at that problem, I'm going to write it on this board that Miss Nashley got me so you can see it bigger. When we look at it and it says 36 minus 19, let's leave that 28 off for a minute and try to look at it this way. So if we're going to solve this problem, can we take 9 from 6?
Oh, you got to make that 3 a 2. It makes
Excellent. So we're going to borrow one from this 3. Miss Carrie says it's going to become a 2. And now this is a 16, right?
Right.
Yeah.
And then 16 minus 9.
It's 3.
Not quite. So if we're going from 9 and counting
7.
up to 16,
Bucky.
7 you said?
Mhm.
So let's start at 9. 10, 11,
11,
12,
12,
13,
14,
14, 15,
16.
16. So we
16.
actually do have how many?
7.
7. So, that's not quite right, is it? Because
No.
if we subtracted the 2 from the 1, we would end up with 17.
Right.
So let's try to look at it again. And let's try a different number for an experiment. So what if we tried, what would be another number that we could try that's 1 under 9?
8.
Yeah, good job.
8.
So now we're going to figure it out by trial and error together, because we said that we're going to add in the 8. So we know we can't take 8 from 6. So Carrie let us last time know that we were going to borrow from the 3, and it became a 2, right? And
Yeah.
now we gave that 1 over to the 6, so it can become a 16. So now that we're all set up in our problem, all we have to do is compute it, right?
Right.
So what is 8 minus 6, or 16 minus 8?
8.
8.
Good
Same
job,
eight.
Robert.
Mhm.
It is 8.
Hey.
That's one of those doubles. Those are fun to memorize, but sure enough, 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. Very good. Now in this row, Amanda, what do we have? We have a 2 minus 1. What is that
Yeah.
total?
Okay, it's 2 minus 1, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It's 3.
That's adding, but let's subtract. We have
Okay,
Okay,
2.
let me try again.
Yes, ma'am.
It's 2.
So we have 2, right?
Yeah.
And we're going to take away 1.
It's 1.
Yeah, good
Oh,
job.
good.
Thank you.
So in fact,
Thank you.
You're welcome, Ashley.
Talking to Darlene.
then that would change that bottom number that we first guessed was a 2 was really a 1.
Yeah.
So that was a little trickier, wasn't it? We had to try 2 different
Yeah, it's
scenarios
tricky.
to get the right answer. Let's have somebody else for the next one. Let's give it a shot and see if we can't figure it out. You want to go, Robert?
Okay.
All right, let's look at this one together. We have 2 blanks. Let's see. Oh, no, we only have 1 line.
1.
So in this problem, we only have to discover what that 1 number is. Do you see where the blank dark line is?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So how do you recommend that we start to figure this out? What would you say we do?
Was it 3?
So you're looking for the answer. Let's see what they've done so far.
All right.
So when we look at this problem, let me sit here this way so I can see you guys better. We can see that they've already done 6 minus 4 for us, right?
Yeah.
Right.
They said that's 2. Do we agree?
Yes.
Yeah.
I
Yes.
do too, yep. Now, there's no blank line here, so there's no mystery number here. but there is a blank line here. What do you think we could do? Because when there's nothing there, it's also the same as what? 0. So there's really a 0 there, even though it's not written. So it's saying a mystery number minus 2 gives us 0. What do you suppose that mystery number is?
3.
3.
Close. 3 minus
Close.
2 would give us 1.
1.
What minus 2 would give us 0?
2.
2. Thank you, Jose.
2.
Sure
Mhm.
enough.
Thank
2
you,
minus
Jose.
2 is 0.
Mhm.
So our magical mystery number for number 3 is what? 2. Sure enough.
2.
All right, so we're going to start seeing the pattern. We won't do all of them, but let's do a few more because you'll start to see how you think about it and start to figure them out.
Hey, Kate,
Yes,
you would take this home for homework?
absolutely. So what we don't finish, you can work on at home.
With my
So
sister?
let's have Hector.
Okay, so
Hector, would you like to do the 4th problem with us? I'm going to write it on the big board.
1, 2.
It says
Kate, where are you now?
we are on the 4th one over. I'm going to write it on the big board so you can see it. And
Sorry.
it's 97 minus 2 and a mystery number
Hey, Kate,
equals.
where? Yeah. Okay, right here. Okay, I see it.
You see that one now?
Yeah.
Okay. So Hector, the first thing we want to think about is we want to solve what 7 minus a mystery number equals 5. What do you think we would take away from 7 to come up with 5? What do you think, Hector?
5.
5? So if we took 7 and we took away 5, we would end up with 2. Good job. I was reading that backwards. It's a 2 because when I put it in here, it's backwards. Very excellent job. So I'm going to do what Hector recommended, and I'm going to put 5 in that first mystery number slot because 7 minus 5 equals 2. Good job.
Oh.
So
Okay.
let's have, I have to push my phone here. Trying to see who else is on here.
I got it.
That makes no sense to me.
So let's have Carrie do this next one.
Blank 9 plus 6 blank equals 152.
So we're still on this one that we didn't finish. So the one
Oh.
right before that. So the mystery number we're looking for is the one that is at the bottom of the answer. So
Got
if
it.
you notice, there was 2 black lines. There was one here, and there
Okay.
was one here. So we're wanting to say for that one, 9 minus 2.
Okay.
This plus. There.
7.
Excellent.
Barbara
I
has a
agree.
question.
Put a thumbs up if you agree with Carrie.
Where are
Yep.
we?
7.
We're on number 4 now.
So they're not numbered really, but we're on the one that has a 152 on the bottom. You guys are doing so good with this.
Hey, Kate. Hey, Kate.
Yes.
Kate.
Yes.
What? Okay. What's the mystery number below on 17?
That was 72.
72.
Yeah, look at my paper.
I can't see it, Carrie.
So the
Carrie,
bottom number ends up being
Sure can't see it.
72.
I can't see it.
This Kate will show it to you.
Huh?
Tell Miss Kate to show it to you.
Kate,
Here, I
show
wrote
it
it on,
to me.
I wrote it on here.
Okay, we're right here.
You see it, Amanda?
To the
No.
top. See the
11, 11,
They're not
11.
numbered.
I can't see it, Kate.
We're
You
on the
show it
5th one, but I'm trying to
Right
get Amanda
here.
to see that one. I already erased it.
Right
The
here.
Why it again? Write it again.
Right here.
Hold on, I'll try
Okay,
to,
I
let me
found
get a
it.
piece of paper.
Right here.
I don't have a piece of paper. All right, let's just move, it's 97, listen, Amanda. It's
What?
97
Where?
minus
Where?
25
I know.
equals
Where?
72. So
where
can you just
are
write
you?
that in?
You see the
Where
90,
are you? Show it to me.
Yep,
Amanda.
it's 97 was the top number. Find that on your paper. Find the
Where are you?
97. Find your paper.
Look on your paper where the 97 is.
Find it.
Where?
Look on your paper, Amanda.
Do you have it printed out?
Yeah, I do. It's right here.
Okay, so look down on your paper. Do you see the fourth problem over where it says 97 on the top?
Where?
On your paper. Look down at your paper. Are you looking on the computer screen?
Yeah.
Do you have a paper printed out?
Yeah.
Okay, look at your paper that's printed out. Are you looking at yours that's printed?
Yeah. You're right here.
Okay, can you hold it up and show me where the 97 is on your paper? Hold it real close so I can see it. Okay, so that 97, we subtracted a 2 and a 5, 25. So in
Well,
that one blank, you should put a 5.
No. Where? You show it. You show it to me.
Yeah, so it's 97 minus
No,
25.
no. On your big screen.
Okay, Amanda,
I
listen to
don't
me.
have the big screen.
Hold
It's
on.
Ashley that has that.
Amanda,
Ashley.
do you see, listen to me. Amanda, do you see the screen, the math problems on the screen?
Where is it?
You see the screen in back of you, how it has the math problems, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so we are working on number 4. You see my mouse? 97 minus 25. So you need to put a 5 here where there's no number.
Where?
Right there. Where that blank is at, you need to put a 5 right there. Yeah, good job.
Where?
Underneath the 7.
I need help.
Okay, well, maybe we can work on it at another time, but for now, for the interest of everyone else as well that's waiting, let's move
Wait,
on to the next
no,
one.
wait,
We'll come
Kate,
back to
Kate.
that one.
No,
So
Kate,
let's let
wait.
that one go and move to the
Wait.
next one, okay?
Kate,
Amanda.
Kate.
Amanda?
Because
Give
we're
us
all
a
here
second.
together and we're going to move to the next one together,
Correct.
okay? It's okay. It's no big deal. Let's do this next one together. Who would like to do the next one?
Oh, I think I know this one is.
Okay, Robert says he's going to look at this one for us. So
Okay.
Robert, I see in this problem we do have
Well-
2 mystery numbers we're looking for.
What?
One on this side and one on this side, right?
No.
Yes.
So whenever we start math problems, we always start over here on the right, right?
Yes.
That's correct. So this is giving us a clue. The clue is that 9, and what's going on here?
Plus.
Plus.
Addition.
Yeah, addition. So 9 plus a mystery number is going to come out with something with a 2 in it. What could that be? Can 9 plus anything equal 2?
No, but
No.
it's an idea of what that number really is. Yeah.
Right. So 2 could be half of
Right.
the number written
number.
where we might have carried something up here, right?
Right.
Right.
So what's a
That's
double
it.
digit number that ends in 2 that could be there? Let's try 12.
Yep.
Remember how
Nice
we
and
had
easy.
to just try it
Alright.
out? Let's try it out. As this being a 12 at the bottom, so a 2 and then a 1. So if we were going to add 9 plus a mystery number to equal 12, what would that mystery number be? 9 plus what equals 12?
3.
3.
3.
Let's see if that's right, guys. So they said 3. So we're at 9. Let's count up to 12. 9, 10,
And
11, 12. Sure enough, I agree with them. 3.
There we go.
Let's
3.
let's try it, guys. Let's do an experiment and put in the 3. So 9 plus 3 would be 12. So we'd put our 2 here, and then right up here we'd put our 1, right, Carrie?
Yes.
yeah.
All right. Now let's see if we got anything we can figure out in the next column. So the next column is saying we have our little 1 up here, right? We don't want to forget about that guy. He still
Hey,
counts.
Kate, where are you now?
So we're still on that same problem. We
Okay.
figured out that we're testing to see if the 3 will work. And now we want to test a number here. So in this column, it's blank plus 1 and 6 equals 15. So let's break it down. What's 6 plus 1, Amanda?
Huh?
What is 6 plus 1?
7.
7?
Good job. Absolutely.
All right.
So far we've got 7 up here, right? 7
Yeah.
plus what mystery number equals 15?
Ocho.
Who
I
said, what
don't-
was that number? Did Hector say
Ocho.
Ocho.
is 8? Let's try it. So he said 8 plus 7 is 15. Let's
Yep.
add it up to ourselves, right? So we're
Yeah.
at 8 and we're going to add 7 and see if we come up with 15. Ready? 8, 9, 10,
10,
11,
11,
12,
12.
13, 14,
15,
15. How many did it take us to get there?
5.
Look at all the fingers.
8.
No, it's 5, Carrie.
It's
So
7.
how many fingers am I holding up, Amanda?
7.
7. So, oh, we were at 8. Excuse me. Let's start over. So 8, 9, 10,
10,
11,
11,
12,
12,
13, 14,
15,
15. Yeah.
15.
So checking it again, I do agree
It's
that
7.
if we put an 8 in that blank to add with the 7 that we have, because 6 plus 1 is 7, that we do come up with 15.
Right.
So I agree that our mystery numbers here was the 8 and the 3.
Yep.
So 89 plus 63 equals 152.
2.
Yep.
That was a big one, wasn't it?
What,
Yep.
what the number?
8.
Oh, 8.
Hey,
Okay.
Amanda.
You see
8.
them?
Okay. 8.
All right, we'll
Okay.
do one more of these. Who would like, let's have Roger do the last one in that row.
Okay. Which one? 9, take away 4. No.
So it's 97
90.
plus
Oh, 97.
a mystery number and a 1. I wrote it on here.
Oh,
So if you don't see it on your paper, you can look on this little board. So we have a 97 that's clear, right, guys? There's no mystery number there. We know that number is 97. It's all filled in, right?
Yeah.
We know we're looking for 2 mystery numbers, one here and one here. So as we think about things, we always like to start on what side?
Right.
On the
The
left
right
side.
side, exactly. So 7 plus 1 is what?
8.
8.
That one was easy.
It's 8.
So we got that one, no problem. That was straightforward. There wasn't really a lot of thinking
8.
we had to do. We just added.
Hey,
Let's see
Kate,
what's going on over here.
can I tell you something when we get done?
Yeah, so 9 plus another mystery number equals 17. So Roger,
Oh,
what plus 9 equals 17?
wow. 9 and 17.
Yeah, so if we wanted to add a number, but we don't know what it is, to 9, and we want to equal 17, what do you think that number might be?
26.
That's a good try.
8.
Carrie says 8. Let's try 8. So
Mhm.
we're at 9, right?
Right?
And let's see how long it takes us to get to 17. Let's do it. So 9, 10, 11,
11,
12,
12,
13,
13,
14,
14,
15,
15,
16,
16,
17.
17.
How many did it take us to get there?
8.
8.
8. Sure enough, Carrie's right. So that mystery number was 8.
It's 8.
Oh, that wasn't so bad.
Nope.
As you start doing them, you'll start to see patterns to look for and
We're
ways to
gonna-
think about it. So I encourage you to
Hey,
work on that sheet
hey.
some more, and I think you're going to enjoy it once you get going with them.
Hey, can we do one more?
Yes, absolutely. Let's do the next one. So the next one is on the next row. It's the very first one all the way to the left. I'm going to write it on this big board. And it looks like we have how many mystery numbers in this problem, guys?
2.
Good job. Now you're seeing the pattern. It's 2. Absolutely. So let's look at the first one. Robert, which side do we need to think about starting on to try to figure this out?
You start with the right side.
Right? We always want to start on the right side. Good job.
Right.
So in our first mystery number, we have something. What's going on here?
Minus.
Subtraction. Good job. So we have a
That's right.
mystery number minus 4 that equals 8. What minus 4 could equal 8? How can we figure that out?
You subtract and take
No,
away.
actually, no, don't subtract. You're adding.
No.
No,
this is
I'm right.
So give
We're
us a,
right
a
here.
guess.
It says negative. You take away.
So we are subtracting in the problem, but it's true that we could use addition
need
to
a
help
pencil.
figure it out. So it's true there's more than one way to figure this out.
The way it's
Let's have
been
somebody give us a guess.
Please.
You guys want me to give you a super good clue
What?
for this mystery? I'm going to tell you guys something about subtraction problems.
Hey,
I don't
Kate.
know if any of you are
Hey,
in my
Kate.
class. Listen, this is
Kate.
a super good clue
I'm
first,
gonna
okay?
Listen.
Kate.
Yes,
Kate.
yes.
I'm very sorry. Okay, I don't understand very good.
That's okay. So let's think about this together.
Okay.
So I'm
Move
trying to
on.
give you guys a clue. So just listen, right? Forget about everything else but this clue. Ready?
Mhm.
Ready for the clue? Listen up. When you're doing subtraction problems, if you want to check to make sure they're correct, you add the bottom number to this number, and it should equal that. That is always true in subtraction problems. So let's try that method with the right side, guys, because, hey, it's hard to think of. I agree. So let's go backwards. Let's add 8 plus 4.
12.
12. Absolutely. Now let's write that in.
Kate, where are you now?
So we're still on that same one. And Carrie said, let's try 12. So she
Okay.
said that 12 minus 4 equaled 8.
Yes.
And she said she figured that out because she figured out that 8 plus 4
Right.
equals 12. And we know that's a rule. So let's add it up on our fingers and just double check. So
And-
let's say we're
Kate,
at 4.
Kate, I need a calculator.
No, let's do it on our hands. So we're at 4 and we want to get to 12. So ready? 4, 5,
All right.
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10,
10,
11,
11,
12.
12.
How many did it take us to get there?
7.
8.
Almost.
8.
9.
8.
8, yes.
I'm doing it.
So far, this is true. 12 minus 4 equals 8. But remember, guys, in that other problem where we had to change something after we discovered the other side didn't work. So we're not done yet. We've got to investigate and see if we can see what this other mystery number could be. So this part is saying 9 minus a mystery number equals 6.
I got one from here.
You got that one in your head?
Yep.
Kate.
What is it, Robert? Let's listen to
3.
Robert. 3. I agree. Now let's just check it that way that Carrie figured out the last one that she found difficult. So what is the rule in subtraction that I just told you if you want to check it?
12. Okay. I'm still
Who remembers?
I know, Kate.
Go ahead, Amanda.
You had to, you can see me?
I do see you.
Okay. You had to, carry.
So when we have a subtraction problem, let's just look at this one side. 9 take away 3 equals 6. We all
6.
agree that's true, right?
Right.
That's
Yeah.
right.
Put your thumbs
Yeah.
up if you agree that's true. It's valid. It's true. So then now to check that, the magic trick is to go backwards and add it. This works every time in subtraction. This is a rule in math that always works. So 6 plus 3 should equal this number. Now let's check it and see if it's right. Let's start at 6 and add 3. So 6, 7,
7, 8, 9.
9. Sure enough, I agree with Carrie. Good job. Do you guys want to try one last one of those?
No.
Let's do one last one and see how quick we can do it and see if it's right. It's the one that says 49. And it looks like we have 2 mystery numbers.
Which one is it?
It's 49. This is a minus.
Okay.
Something with a mystery number and something. We got 2 mystery numbers, one here and one here.
Hey, Kate, I know what it is already.
Okay, give us a shot. Amanda, what is it?
I believe I did.
See, you're starting to see the pattern. You stuck with it long enough. Let's hear what you think it is.
Okay, it is 8.
Almost. So what is 4? What is 9 minus a mystery number that equals 7?
2.
Let's find this number
it's
right
2.
here.
It's 2.
Good job, 2. Now, who remembers the rule how to check that? How can we check that 2 and make sure it's right?
Add them
And
up.
this is a rule that always works in subtraction. What can we do?
Add it.
Adding.
Add down here to right here, right?
Mhm.
And it should
Yeah.
give us this number. So
Yep.
let's
Right.
check it. 7 plus 2 should equal 9, does it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, so now we've double checked that our mystery number is right. Let's look at the other side. Well, that's pretty straightforward, isn't it? It says what?
4 minus 1 is 3.
4
3.
minus 1 is a mystery number, and Miss Carrie says it's 3.
There you
Let's
go.
use our new method of checking and verify that's accurate. So what would we do to check that?
You're taking away.
So we're taking away, and that gives us a rule that if we add this number to this number,
Kate,
it
it's
should equal that
37.
number.
It's 37.
That's the answer. But if we add 3 plus 1, does it equal 4?
Yes.
No. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then 4 minus 1 equals 3. So this all works. Yeah, good
Right.
job. So I encourage you guys to try some of those. I think they're a lot of fun. It's just a matter of sticking with it. And before you know it, your mind starts to see the pattern, just like you did, Amanda.
Do one
You want
more.
one more? Okay, last one, and then I'm going to show you one other thing, okay? It's kind of, did you
I
see the
don't-
coloring sheet thing? You're getting good at these, aren't you? It's very satisfying to solve a math problem. I've always
Yes,
loved math.
it is.
Oh, what's the next problem, guys? Who can tell me what's going on there?
I know one. It's 22 minus blank equal 1.
Okay,
I
so
got
let's
you.
ask Jose.
Yeah.
What do you think, Jose, might be the mystery numbers for this problem?
Right. Well, you have one mystery problem on the bottom number on the
Okay.
10 side, but on the right side, on the 1 side, you can go ahead and bring that one down. Do the subtraction 2 minus 1.
Okay, so Jose
And-
says in this side for the mystery number, he feels like it should be a 1 because 2 minus 1 is 1.
It's 1.
Good
One.
job.
Right.
They've
Now, what do
given
you
the
think over
answer.
here? What do
Yeah,
you think for that one?
It's going to be a 1 also because it's the same subtraction problem, 2 minus 1.
It's
Absolutely
11.
right.
Oh my God.
You're seeing it now. I'm so happy. So let's double check this, right?
Yeah.
To make sure that we did it correctly. What's the rule? Can we go backwards and change our sign and add instead of subtract?
That's
No.
right.
Say 1 plus 1
No. No.
2
is 2. Sure enough. And 1 plus
It's
1 is 2.
is 2.
Mhm.
You guys did great with that. Excellent job.
Kate, one more.
Okay,
Okay,
this
we're
will be
gonna
the
end it
last
for
one.
today.
I know how to do it.
You know how
Thank
to
you
do
so
it?
much, Miss Kate.
Yes.
Can you show the coloring page real quick? Because I want to tell them a mystery about that.
Yeah, go
Okay,
ahead.
you want to go? Okay.
Whatever you want to do.
Do you see the coloring page that came with the lesson today?
Yeah, right
Yep.
here.
Yeah.
So I want to give you guys a clue on how to solve that. So when you see the numbers, get out your calculator and
Mhm.
start
Okay.
adding them up that way.
Right.
It becomes a picture.
Kate,
Yes.
I need a calculator right now.
No, I'm saying later on, if you want to do
Later.
this one, this is how
Okay.
mine came out.
Okay.
See my picture?
I can see it.
You find me in it, in the video anywhere?
Oh, I see it. That's so cool.
And look at the coloring page. That came because I figured out the
That's
totals.
so cool, Kate.
Yeah, so you guys should try this. You figure out the totals, and over here it tells you what the color should be with that total. So I just
Hey,
wanted to
Kate.
quickly show you how fun it could be to figure out all these problems, and look at what you discover. This really cool picture. And I know
Hey,
some
Kate.
of us like coloring and some don't, but I found it a lot of fun.
Hey, Kate.
Yes.
You are so good.
That was a really nice picture, wasn't it?
Yes, it is.
That was a lot of fun. Well, thanks, guys. And it was great to see you folks today.
You too.
And we'll-
Hey, Kate.
I hope you guys have a
Cool.
good
Thank you,
rest of the
Kate.
day.
You too.
Kate.
Okay.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Kate. Kate.
Thank you.
Yes,
Kate. Can I talk to you for just a minute?
go ahead.
Can I talk? How long we can talk?
Oh, well, we're just saying goodbye on the Zoom right now, but we can talk again later.
Can I talk to you?
So for now, we're going to end the Zoom, but we'll talk again later, okay?
Thank you
Hey,
guys
Kate.
so much. Good job. Thank you, Miss
Next
Kate.
week. Next
Thank
week.
you.
Here.